Folks, welcome back to the class. Today we will talk about technical analysis. Now, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis basically, is reading the charts. Okay, the price charts, and using some indicators and some oscillators, right? These things will come in the future, I will tell you. Just mainly, the most traders, they read, 80%, I would say, that they use the technical analysis and 20% fundamentals. In technical analysis, like I said, it's analyzing the chart, reading the past, and predicting the future. Now, this is how it starts. For the technical analysis, I will look at the daily chart or something, or hourly chart, or depends on my trading style, and then I will analyze which way the market is heading. And that will help me in doing all the work I need to be done. Now, how does it work? Like I said, the technical analysis, the past data, okay, to predict the future, like here, right? Indicators, there are loads of indicators out there. There are loads of indicators. You can't use all of them. Indicators are mainly, they used to read the market. Now, traders only use few of them. Like I said, you can't use all the indicators, otherwise you won't be able to see anything on your chart. And it will also create a lot of confusion. So in coming classes, in coming lecture, I will explain everything physically on the charts to you, and you see how it actually works. But the most important, in my opinion, the most important technical analysis is the support and resistance lines. That's a resistance and that's a support line. And that's also a support line. Once this was support, this was resistance, right? Because the price went up there on the resistance level, it can't keep coming down to support level and keep bouncing back and then keep coming down. These support and resistance levels, if you can define them, which you can easily, well, it's not that easy, but I will show you practically on the chart in coming lessons. But the support and resistance lines are my favorite, and a lot of people actually work the price between them, especially the sideways market. People love these support and resistance lines because they give you enough trades and you can identify the supply and demand levels. That's exactly what it is. And the indicators, like I said, there are loads of them. But in coming class, I will teach you what is CCI, moving averages, RSI, Bollinger Band, and stochastics. These are the indicators I actually use myself. In moving average, there are 20 days moving average, then 100 days, and then 200 days. These are the ones I use, but some people use 15 days, 50 days, and 100 days. So that's I will show you how it works. That's also actually a kind of a support resistance line, this moving averages, and that's a relevant strength indicator. Obviously, when we come down to this, I will explain you. At the moment, this is just an introduction about these. Well, in summary, basically, at the end of the day, the technical analysis, I think, is a very, very important part, and it helps traders to understand the chart and the market and finding a direction, finding a trend, finding support and resistance line, finding entry point, exit point. So best approach is to use both technical and fundamental analysis together, because, like I said, 80% is the technical, but 20%, you cannot ignore the fundamentals, you cannot ignore the data coming out every day, and you cannot ignore the news. So they both go together, and hopefully I will explain in a lot more details in coming sessions. Thanks very much. You have a lovely day, and I shall see you very soon.